L.L.Bean has seen lots of change in its 100-plus year history. It started as a catalog merchant and today is a global multi-channel retailer with stores and e-commerce channels in addition to its robust catalog business.
L.L.Bean's been around since 1912, so we're a long branded company that our customers love.
In 2018, L.L.Bean shipped over 14 million orders from their distribution center in Freeport, Maine. 60% come in the 6 weeks before Christmas. At one time, L.L.Bean had 2 separate DCs, one that filled e-commerce orders and one that filled store orders. Both were running out of capacity with more growth anticipated.
We had FORTNA come in and do an assessment of our facility, and we were able to identify that we had a lot more space, a lot more opportunity right here without making a large investment in another facility.
A few years later, both the e-commerce and store fulfillment DCs were again reaching capacity, and customers were asking for faster order delivery.
We're in the farthest part of the Northeast, so it makes it very difficult to make sure we're getting our product to the customer like our competitors do.
L.L.Bean again turned to FORTNA to design a solution. The result was a long-term, multi-step approach to completely transform L.L.Bean's distribution operations. L.L.Bean's store distribution center would be shut down, and those orders merged into the e-commerce DC, resulting in synergies of inventory and personnel. This would require a complete overhaul of the e-commerce DC, moving to processing orders in waves, implementing a tote handling system, retrofitting the large sorter for efficiency and speed, and upgrading the FORTNA warehouse execution system to manage the new processes, all without disrupting operations and concurrent with the implementation of 3 major systems: ERP, WMS, and forecasting. This would be a large-scale, complex project and one of the biggest investments in company history.
FORTNA's control systems for us they're helping us manage the day-to-day influx of the orders, the processing through the facility until it gets out the door from a shipping standpoint.
They brought the right technical expertise to the table early in the process around how best to consider designing for the new solutions. And then when we ran into bumps along the way, which of course you would in a large program of change like this, it was easy to work through those bumps because we had that foundation of partnership.
The distribution transformation was a huge success. Orders that used to take 10 hours to be processed are now finished in less than 2. On-time delivery is now 94%, up from 88% a couple years ago.
We actually doubled the capacity and we streamlined the throughput to minimize the need for extra people, but at the same time for faster throughput.
The results have been amazing. I think we're realizing now that we have lots of opportunity to optimize because out of the gate, we created a foundation of success and stability.
We extended this life of this building by 10 years, which was a real shock because we've put all this equipment in and automation, and it's streamlined the inventory, the in-process that we had to carry. So they've been with us since the very beginning. They helped design every step of the way, and they've even built for our future.